Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a vertical picture horizontal in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, develop a new image. See this image. Double click. Remove this lock. Then click the crop tool. Step 1. I apply this step 1. Right click on your mouse. Fill content air. Then wait few seconds. Result it. And step 2. Click this rotation. Right click. Use rotate. Press 90 degree. Enter or press Ctrl T, double click, press Ctrl T, rotate manually. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.